rectangles can you draw with an area of how many rectangles can you draw with an area of 12 centimeters squared? How many rectangles can you draw? Can you count the rectangles that you will use that have the same area of 12? Okay, I will give you 3 seconds. You can stop the video. 3 seconds. Okay, to do this question. Okay, I will give 3 seconds. Then I will do this one. Okay. Means what? How many rectangles? How many rectangles can you draw? Can you draw with an area of what? Of 12 centimeters squared. Okay. Look, I will draw my table. This is number 1. This is shape 2. This is shape 3 that will have a length and width. Okay. Okay. And so on. So this is Muller's length. This is width. This is area Muller's. Is what is length multiplied by width. Okay. Here, in this question, we told that rectangles. Okay, so we ignore a square. So a square does not include it. Okay, because he wants rectangles. How many rectangles? Okay, but at the end I will draw a square. Okay, which is a particular case. Okay. Look, the length, for example, we told the area is 12 centimeters squared. Always 12 centimeters squared. 12 centimeters squared. Okay? 12 centimeters squared. Okay. So, the first one, 1 centimeter multiplied by 12 gives 12. Then 2 multiplied by 6. Then 3 multiplied by 4. Then only this. Okay? Then half, for example, half 0.5 and what? And 24. And there are so many. Okay? These are 4 rectangles that have the same area. Means what? 1, 12. This is 1, my learners, and this is 12. Then the second one, 2, 6, means this is 2, this is 6. Okay? The second one, 3, 4, means this is 3, and this one is 4. And this is not included. This is 3, and this is 4. Okay, and 0.5, 24. This is 24, and this is 0.5. Okay. So half 24 is 12 area equal 24 multiplied by 0.5 gives 12 centimeter or unit square. Okay. The next one, learners. So, what is the area of the shape if each square is 2 centimeter? This one is 2 centimeter, my learners. This is also 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square. Okay. All of these small squares have an area of 2 centimeters square. The question is that, my learners, is try to count these squares to find the area. Okay? What is the area of this shape if each square is 2 centimeters in length? Okay? So, if this one 2 centimeters, this one also 2 centimeters, this is also 2 centimeters, this is also 2 centimeters, means from this to this 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. And this, how many squares in fact? 1, 2, 3, 4, or just a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one it will be 10. Okay, this one it will be 10, what? 10 centimeters. 10. And this one, my learners, is This is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Okay, at least we work at the value of the width and we work at the value of the length. Okay, if the question is about the area, just multiply. If it's about the perimeter, just make the total of all the distances around the following shape. H square is 2 centimeters. What is the area? Area is what, my learners? Is 6 multiplied by 10 gives us 60. Okay? What is the unit? Centimeter square. This is for the first question. This one I will label as small a, and this one small b. H square 3.5 centimeter in length. Means that this is 3 centimeters. Okay. Okay, this is, it will be 10.5. This one could be changed, of course. Why? Because we move to this one, 3.5. So the length is 3.5 means each side is 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7, plus 3.5 is 10.5. This one, my learners, from that to that is 10.5. And this, from this to this, 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5, plus 3.5 is 1.4 is 14, plus 3.5 is 17.5. Look, 3.5 multiplied by 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 5 is 25. Just write 2. Okay? And right here 5. 5 by 3, 15 plus 2 is 17. It will be 17.5. Okay? I will just write here 17.5. So now, my learners, is what? To find the area, just multiply the width by the length. Okay? So the area is what? Is 17.5 multiplied by 10.5. Okay. Look here. I will write this as what? As 175 divided by 10 multiplied by 105 divided by 10. So it will be given. Okay, all divided by 100. I will now calculate it. 175 by 105. 175 by 105. Okay. 5 by 5 is 25. Okay. 5 by 7, 35. Plus 2, 37. Good one. 5 by 1 is 5. Plus 3, 8. Plus 0 plus nothing, it will be 0, 0, 0. Then 1 plus 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 by 7 is 7. 1 by 1 is 1. Just now adding the learners. This one it will be 5, 7. Okay, 7. So it will be 5 by 13. So then mothers 1 plus 7 is 8 and 1. So it will be 18,377. 18,375. 18,375 divided by 100. So give us 183.75. What is the unit, my learners? Is centimeters square. Okay? Then Mayo buys a house with a small back garden which has an area of 12 meters. His house lies in a row of terraces, all identical. If there are 15 terraced houses altogether, what is the total area of the garden space? Okay. So here we got the, okay, Mo buys a house with a small back garden which has an area of 12 meters square. His house lies in a row of terraces. All are identical. if these are 15 terraced houses, altogether what is the total area? So just multiply 12 by what? By 15 moderns. Okay? The next example. Okay, investigate how many ways you can make different squares and rectangles with the same area of 84 centimeters. Okay, so we will what? We will increase and decrease either the length and or think of the factors of 84. Okay, then okay, the next. Just this question. Okay, estimate the area of each shape and then order them from smallest to largest. Okay. First of all, what is the area of small a? Area of A is 3 point. Is what? Is 3.4 multiplied by 6.8. Just calculate this and write here the answer, my learners. Then for B, so 3.4 we can write it as 3 to the nearest whole number, 3 centimeters or 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters. We will estimate, my learners. Means what? Means this is 3.4. Just write it as 3 centimeters. Okay, sorry, centimeters, yes, 3 centimeters. And this is 6.8, just write it 7 centimeters. So to estimate the area, make 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 centimeters squared. Okay, for B, madam, this is 7.75. I will just write it as 8. In order to estimate, I will write it 8 centimeters. Then, okay, and this one also is going to be 8. This is 8 centimeters. Okay, 8 centimeters. So 8 by 8 is 64. For C, we have 19.1. I will write as 19. This is 19.1. I will estimate two whole number. It will be 19. 2. Let's say 8 moderns. I will write as 3. So 3 by 19 gives 57. Then we can order A, B, and C. You can see that this is B is 64, C is 57, and A is 21. If we like to rearrange or to, let's say, write down the area in order of size starting from the largest, it will be the shape B, then shape C, then shape A. Okay. Now, okay, then order, okay, now we'll move to the next one. Each orange square, this is a square, has an area of 24. This is my lens is 24. This is also is 24. Okay. Calculate the total area, the total orange area. Okay. So 24 plus 24 gives 48. This is the total area of orange rectangles. Okay. Then calculate the blue area. The blue area is what? Okay. Each orange square has an area. So blue is 72 and 72 centimeters. Okay. Why? Because this one is 24. This one also, this and this is 24. And this one, my learners, and this, I mean this one, okay, has an area. In fact, each small rectangle has an area of 24, but divided by 2. I mean, this is 12, this is 12. So 12 plus 12, 24, plus 24, 48, plus 24 will be 72. So the blue one is 72. And what about the green one is 24, of course, okay? So just adding 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 is 24 multiplied by 6 gives 144 centimeters squared. Okay. Thank you for listening. See you inshallah next time. Okay? Goodbye. Okay. We continue. So learners should learn to calculate the area of compound shapes. Okay? You now know how to find at least the area of some compound shapes. They need to be careful when splitting shapes up to make sure they know which lengths corresponding to the whole shapes and which to the smaller shapes they have created. Also, the learners should discover that the area remains the same no matter how you split up the shapes. Children or students need to have experience of drawing their own shapes in this step. What formula do we use to find the area of rectangle is what? Is length multiplied by width. Okay? Then, can you use any rectangles within the compound shapes? How can you split the compound shapes? Is there more than one way? Of course, yes. Do we get a different answer if we split the shape differently? Okay. Here we have an exercise. Find the area of the compound shape. How many ways can you split the compound shape? Is there more than one way? Okay. So, my learner, this is 4 centimeters. Okay, this is 2. This is 4 meters. This is 2 meters. This is 3 meters. Okay, just check. So, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 3. 3 meters. And this one is 2 meters. Okay. Now this is small a. This is small b. Means I will split this into 2 rectangles. Okay? Rectangle A and rectangle B. So rectangle A you can find the area. Rectangle B you can find the area. Okay? So for example here we have 4. Okay? 4 plus 2 is 6. So this one is 6. From this to this is 6 centimeters. So, area of B is 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 6 multiplied by 3. But the area of A is what? Is 4 and this is what? In fact, is 3. Sorry, this one we told, okay? This is 4. This is 2. Okay. Okay. So this one is 2. 4 plus 2, 6. This is 2. So let's consider as 2. So this one will be 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8. Okay? If this is 2, my learners, if this is 2 from this to that, is 2 centimeters. 2 by 4 is 8. So in fact, in order to find out or figure out the area of this compound shape, just split the compound shape. Means that we divide the compound shape into rectangles, okay, to find the area of each, then add the next. So this one, my learners, is 6. Okay, 6 centimeters or 6 meters. Another example. This is, for example, my learners is 5. 5 meters. This one, my learners, is, for example, okay, 6, 5, okay, this is, I will accept, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, look, my learners, 6 multiplied minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, means this is also 3. From this to that is 3. Okay, the area of A now is 5 by 6 is 30. Then the area of B is 2 by what? 2 by 6 is 6. Okay? So we can add let's say okay, you can add what?